Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how people attempt to get scripts on Roblox mobile Brookhaven. We'll cover the general methods involved, which typically require external tools. It's important to understand that these processes often involve modifying your device's settings and using applications not officially supported by Roblox. We'll discuss the common steps and what users generally look for when trying to implement these scripts. Many users seeking scripts on Roblox mobile Brookhaven typically look for third-party applications, often called mod menus or executors. These tools are designed to inject custom code into the game, allowing for various modifications. The process usually involves downloading an application from an external website, which then attempts to interact with the Roblox app on your phone or tablet. It's a common approach for those trying to alter gameplay. It's very important to consider the significant risks associated with using scripts on Roblox mobile. Roblox's terms of service strictly prohibit such modifications, and your account could face a permanent ban. Furthermore, downloading applications from unofficial sources carries a high risk of malware or viruses, potentially compromising your device and personal information. Always exercise extreme caution when dealing with unverified software. To generally implement scripts, users first search for a compatible mobile executor, often specifying their device's operating system. After downloading and installing the chosen application, which might involve adjusting security settings to allow installations from unknown sources, they typically launch the executor alongside Roblox. Then, they copy and paste the desired script code into the executor's interface, which then attempts to run it within the Brookhaven game environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.